let's go. Whoa. I walk around with this drum like I'm Nick Cannon. Bust out the river by up it, I won't panic. Walk at these, stop by the fit off the mannequin. I'm on the y'all fucking different Dominican. He not a plug on the boats, he the middleman. Season the coupe, peanut butter like Peter Pan. Niggas hate me, but they bitches my biggest fan. Whoa, I'm popping, I'm feeling like on the man. Bitches see me and forget about oxygen. Try to screen it like a rocket shit. Heavyweight champion, check out my pockets been on. I ain't finna school, fuck a scholarship. This in the game that this shit got your partner killed. Whoa.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. The steering wheel finally got here. It's in pretty good condition. I'm about to show you right now. And right now we're gonna disconnect the battery and install it right now. And I'm gonna show you how to take it off and put it on, because some people, I guess you could say, still don't know, but I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, so this is the steering wheel we got. It's in pretty good condition. There's no rips or nothing. All the buttons are there. Fucking lighting. All the buttons are in good condition. They're not scraped. The leather's pretty nice condition as well. It's a pretty good steering wheel. We bought off of eBay. So right now we're about to install it. So to take out the steering wheel, you gotta, there's like a little holes on each side. You gotta stick in this little skinny pin, as you can say, and try to take off all the pins. Try to move the pin for the airbag to get out. It's kind of hard. You just gotta find the little spot. You push it in, and the airbag comes out. But make sure the battery is disconnected. We disconnected the red what is the positive? Yeah, we disconnected that one. So we're gonna take it off right now.
Ahora el volante. No está nada apretado. Estas buenas son como las de la Ford, ¿verdad? Que ocupan la prensa. Ahí está el plastiquito. Para adentro, ¿no? Escucharle. No, pues tiene como un clip. Mira, este se quita.
Alright, so we just took out the old one. Fucking light. So this is like the base model steering wheel. It don't have no buttons or nothing. So it's a nice little upgrade from the leather one, because it has buttons. And to take this off, you gotta push it and then twist it and it'll come out. We didn't know this one had it, and we just found out. So you just push it and twist it and it'll come out. And you gotta take off these little two plugs from the airbag, and it'll come out. But make sure that you disconnect the negative battery. If not, that hole's gonna pop right in your face. You got something to say, buddy?
It's too hot. ¿Por qué me quita la mano así en video? Man, así ves, ya lo pendejé un gacho.
Well, look, looks way better.
¿Dónde le pone el cable rojo primero? ¿Este? Ya. Yeah.
Pues sí, ¿no? It looks way better.
Eso no tiene porque es de los controles. You digging in me?
So now you just connect those two and just push the airbag in, and that'll be it.
¿Gotta put el dado primero?
Oh yeah, you gotta put the bolt first. pin. And for the bolt, you don't gotta put it that tight. Just like a nice little, what can you say?
Al llegue lo más.
Yeah. Por si no la van a barrer y va a valer verga. So no se mamen. Now you just push it in. And that'll be all. That's the steering wheel. Looks way better. Especially with the new center console as well. And that's how-tos with Junior JSP.
That's how we do it.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Para conectar la batería porque la raza va a decir, ay, no sirvió el pito. No,
Sí,
la
sí.
batería está desconectada.
But there you go, it looks way better. Especially with the center console, like I said. All you gotta do is just change the plastic to carpet, but we're just gonna leave it like that. The tapete already covers everything, so might as well just leave it like that.
Unos leather seats nomás.
Yeah, but
Mamalón.
it's kind of hard to find them in good condition as well. And these are in pretty good condition. But yeah, a lot of people were asking me what size of the tires. The rears are, I can't fucking see. 275, 45, 20. And the front is 245, 35, 20. And the drop, I don't know. I think it's like a 5.8. We think like a 5.8 or 5.7. Cause it's pretty low.
I don't know, I think it's like a 5.8. The 5.7 rides a little higher. A little lower, my bad.
So it's like a 5.7, 5.8. I don't know. I don't know if you're gonna drop it a little bit more or lift it, but it rides pretty good. It kind of scrapes a little bit going down the driveway, but it's all right. Hey, but you want to go down over there in Pasadena, you're fucked. You're gonna leave the whole frame under there, especially where Luis lives.
Ay, pintarle los tamborcillos rojos.
Yeah, so that's the next step. We're gonna paint the little drums red for it can look a little bit nicer. And the next video, we're gonna be painting the bumper.
Oye, de la Lightning también.
Yeah. Like I said in the last video, we're gonna be painting the bottom bumper because I don't know what happened, but it's kind of scraped and we don't like that. So we're gonna paint it. And also my brother's lining, he kind of scraped the bottom bumper on his lining, but the lining's in the storage right now. He went, what'd you do? You went up, oh, that little driveway over there fucked it up.
No, I was at where we had the bautizo. I was coming out. Según yo, para no raspar el bumper, en vez de darle para enfrente, le di de reversa y raspó. Y como son de fiberglass, pues como se le brota, se le revienta un poquito los fibers. So tenemos que arreglarle y volverle a pintar. Valió madre.
Yeah, so it kind of scraped bad, but my suegro, he's gonna be painting the bumper, and then we're gonna ask him if he could paint the lining as well. It shouldn't be a big deal because it's just the bottom part. I doubt he'll paint the whole bumper, but we're gonna ask him. We're gonna take out the bumper and then give it to him this weekend, and then once he gets done with this one, I'm gonna take the lining to show him if he needs to paint the whole bumper, or if just the bottom part you can paint it. If you can paint the whole bumper again, that'd be pretty cool because might as well be a new bumper. But yeah, that'll be on the next video. Well, that'll be another video after we get the bumper painted from this one. But yeah, we'll probably change the headlights too because these are pretty yellow already. But I don't know, I'll probably keep those or go back to the stock look. But that'll be pretty much it for this truck, really. Nothing else, really nothing else. Just, I don't know about changing the tips. Has one exit right here. And another one right here. It sounds good, but I don't know. I don't like how I feel about that. And then on my truck, and then on the other GMC, I'm probably gonna drop a little bit more. Has a little gap right here, and a big ass gap over here. So I'll probably drop it a little bit more. Right now it's like a 4.6, so I'm gonna drop it to like a 5.8. Hopefully I don't gotta cut the tubs. Alright, that's gonna be today's video. So we just installed the steering wheel right now. You gotta stay tuned. Now the video coming up is when we take the bumper to get painted. And then the video after that is when we're gonna get the lining bumper to get painted as well. And probably next video I'll try to do some rollers or something, try to do something with the truck, give y'all a little bit more content than right now, because right now it's just sitting. Well, también because it's just been raining, we haven't had a chance to like properly wash it. We're trying to buff it and wash it real nice y todo. But yeah, like I said, y'all stay tuned for next video, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right.